Hey there, welcome to the future of mobile application. Before that, if you guys are new here, join to the unbox call. Today we are going to see mastering the status bar in React Native. So we guys are already know the status bar in mobile application plays a crucial role in providing users with essential information and maintaining a consistent user experience. In React Native, managing the status bar is a fundamental aspect of creating and polished, professional looking application. So in this blog, we are going to see how we can implement the status bar and we are going to see the demo also. Before that, we need to know basic understanding of status bar. So what is status bar? Status bar is the area of top of the screen of mobile device that display information such as battery time, network connectivity, all those things. In React Native, status bar can be customized to match overall theme of our app. So let's see what is the basic setup. So basic setup, we need to know the two things, which is status bar. We can directly take from React Native library. So keep a note of it. So we are using the status bar as a React Native library. So this is the demo thing. So see here, we are having a basic implementation. We use the React Native. We use the status bar from React Native. So React Native is a default npm. We are just providing. We are just directly taking the status bar. Here we haven't used the external status bar, external npm. So here we are directly using the internal thing. So this is the big advantage, which will reduce the code. Getting more sizable, so it will be more compactable. We can easily use this. The secondly, we can see how we can customize the status bar. The firstly, bar style. So bar style is the one. So React Native provides a different bar style to ensure visibility and readability based on the background color of our app. The bar style prompts accept the value like default, light content, dark content. These three things are very important. So using this, we can able to change our default theme, light theme, dark theme. See here, in status bar, we are just using a bar style as a light content. So if it's light content, it will be in white. Uh, Note this, I just giving this demonstration, giving this perfect example while giving a demonstration. So and also see here, we are giving a background color also. So background color also another props, we can able to see and adjust the background color according to our basic needs. And also we are having the third one as a hidden status bar. We can able to show and hide the status bar. Let's see the demonstration. See here. See, I have given a basic React Native application. So in this React Native application, I just added a status bar. So in React Native, I just use the status bar. Before that, let me show the demo here. See here, I'm just having a toggle button. Currently, it's in dark mode. When it's dark mode, see the time and then Wi-Fi, internet speed, network, battery percentage. All those things are in black color. So that's dark mode. Black means dark. When I'm just clicking this, I'm just made this to white, which is light content. So keep on a note, I just told right, previously we have three things for bar style: default, light content, dark content. So see here, I'm just given a dark content, light content example. So currently it's light content, it will be in white. The status bar should be in it. Status bar is nothing but the area between the top of the screen. See, inside the camera position, we are having these things, right? So these things are the common area, which is status bar. Whatever the code you have written, that will be under the status bar. So the header portion will be coming under the status bar. Status bar is the top of the screen. It will able to show the mobile percentage level, battery percentage, all those things. So this dark mode, this is dark mode, this is light mode. So when we are giving a default, so it will be automatically taking from the mobile thing, OS level. So if it's Android, if you are giving a default, it will be light content. If it's Mac, if you are giving if you are giving default value, it will be the dark mode. See, let's see the demonstration. Let's see the implementation. See here, I just used a status bar here. I'm just taking from the React Native npm itself. So it's a easy process. I'm just taken this. I'm just used this. I'm just given a bar style. We already seen, right? We are having a bar style default. So I'm just copying this. I'm just giving the bar style value as a default one. See here, by default it will be white, so whenever I'm just clicking it will not work. I just change it, right, default. So the next will be light content. Light content again, it will be white. See, when I'm giving the dark content, the top of the area was changed to the black color. So this is the basic one. So the nextly we can see the background color. Another one, we are having the background color, right? So this is another one, props. Copy this, have given a background color. See, the background color was changed. So this thing will affect only in Android things. For specifically for iOS, you guys need to do some work. You have to give the background color in top of the scroll view, then only it will work. So this is the basic one, the dark style and bar style and background color. Then nextly we can see the hidden, we have seen, right? So nothing hidden, is just the props. So I'm just giving the values get hidden. See, now the status bar whole thing was changed. So we can customize this according to our application needs. For example, some screen we don't need the status bar and all. So for that we can able to adjust these hidden props. If you guys need to do the dynamically, for example, we can store the data and get from the API level, surely we can able to do that. So that's the first implementation. See here, when I'm just added a button, whenever I'm just clicking this button, I'm just storing the use the state value. I'm just changing the content. By default, I'm just given a dark content, so our application will looks in a dark mode. When I'm just clicking this button, it's just checking the value. If it's dark content, then it will show the light content. If it's light content, then it will show the dark content. So this is the basic one. I have added this. So see, this is the basic thing. So whenever we are just working on our mobile application, this is the one of the major thing. For example, if you guys are using the black screen, black background color, so at the time when we are giving the dark mode, it will be more crucial to look exactly what's that time. So when we are using the dark mode, we have to show the light content. When you are using the normal mode, we have to use the dark one. So that's the thing. If you guys need to know how we can set how we are using the background color, you guys are directly taken from the OS level. So directly just take the what OS currently we are using, and using that we can directly alter that. And also we can see the status bar. So in status bar in React Native, you guys are search, it will be the first one. So in this thing, they have given a lot of things like current height, what are the props they have given, see background color, bar style hidden. So this is the very sample and a very easy implementation. Use the background color, it will automatically change hidden props. So for specifically, they have given few things like network activity indicator visible. This thing and all we actually don't need. You suppose you guys are rarely need this, you try to use that. So on high chances, and mostly this thing and all don't work. The majorly using things and all bar style background color. So instead of set background color, we are just using the background color itself. You just go through this documentation. If you guys are try to work with this basic level, if you guys are need more about that, we just try to read this documentation. You guys will get lot of information about that. If you guys having any queries, please ping me in comments. Hope you guys learned new things today. If it's really useful, give a thumbs up and do a subscribe. Having any queries, reach me on comments box.